students, let's solve the next algorithm, that is a Kruskal algorithm. This is what one of the example which you can just try the Kruskal algorithm. So it is again used to obtain the minimum spanning tree out of the graph. So for the graph under consideration, for this graph we need to obtain the MST, that is minimum spanning tree. So the very first stage for the Kruskal algorithm is just arrange the edges with their ascending order of the bits. So here we can see that 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 25 and 28 bits for the edges, and we can just check here 0 to 5, this is the next first edge, this is the second, third, fourth, this one can track out. So all these are the edges. Now we just need to insert the edge one by one. So before insertion, let's draw the vertices present in the Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so these vertices to be, it is only because whatever the MST we are going to prepare, it should have the logic that it must contain all the vertices present in the graph. Along with that, it must show the property that there should not be any loop or the cycle present in the MST. So we need to just check with respect to the insertion of one by one edge with respect to their order starting from lowest to highest. If the edge after insertion is forming the loop, we need to discard that particular edge. So let's check it. The very first edge that is simply inserted, that is 10, and it is and that you can just monitor in the original graph itself. So it can be perfectly inserted after in this uh, clear all. So this is perfectly inserted. Next is 2 to 3. This can be perfectly inserted with the weight that is 12. You can go with the other okay, so next is 1 to 4, this can also be inserted. Sorry, 1 to 6, this is 1 to 6, that is 14. Next is 1 to 2, this is also perfectly inserted with the weight that is 16. Next is 2 to 3 to 6, this when we insert this 3 to 6, we will observe that there is a formation of cycles, so this edge will be discovered. Next is 3 to 4, this can also be included because it is not forming the cycle. This is included, this is included, this is included. Just track 5 to 6. If we include this is again forming the cycle, so this should not be included. Next is 4 to 5. We insert it, it will not form the cycle. So this can be also included. 4 to 5, 0 to 1, when we insert it, it will form a cycle, so this will be neglected. So this is how we will get the spanning tree which is consisting of all the vertices without any cycle. So after summing of all these values, that is 10 plus 24 plus 22 plus 12 16 plus 14, total weight we are getting, that is nothing but the answer for this Kruskal algorithm. So thank you everyone, thank you very much.